Find the binomial expansion of 1 plus px to the power negative 4, where the modulus of px is less than 1, and ascending power of x, up to and including the term in x cube, giving each coefficient as simplified as possible in terms of the constant p. We know that in the binomial, we know that a plus x to the power n, its expansion is nc0, nc1, nc2 up to ncn. Then a to the power n, a to the power n minus 1, a to the power n minus 2, a to the power 0. Then x to the power 0, x to the power 1, x to the power 2, and x to the power n, and plus, and plus, and plus, and plus. So this is the first term. Then this is the second term. This is the third term. And this is the nth term. That's how we do the expansion. Now in this question, if a is equal to 1, if a is equal to 1, so we have not a, 1 plus x to the power n, that is nc0, nc1, nc2, ncn. A is 1, so 1 is to the power whatever is there, it hardly matter. So there is no need to write 1 is to the power and 1 is to the power say. So simply we write x to the power 0, x to the power 1, x to the power 2, and x to the power n. So it's simple as 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 over factorial 2 plus x to the power n. Now if n is equal to minus 1, so 1 plus, let me write it here, if we have 1 plus x to the power minus 1, this is 1 plus n is minus 1x plus minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 over factorial 2 plus x to the power and so on. I think it will go like this: first, second, third, and fourth, and fifth. So instead of writing the last term, I just write it will go like minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 over factorial 3, x to the power, I forgot here, x to the power 2, and x to the power 3 plus 1. Now on the basis of same, let's write this. So this is 1 plus px to the power minus 4. Now be careful, n is minus 4. So what we have is 1 plus nx. N is minus 4, and x is px, plus minus 4n and minus 1, minus 4 minus 1 over factorial 2 px to the power 2, plus minus 4 minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2 over factorial 3 px cube. We have to find up to x cube, but if you have to write another one, so I just, for the demonstration purpose, minus 4 minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 minus 3 over factorial 4 px cube. So that's how we are going to write it. So that is equal to 1 minus 4 px, this is minus 5 minus 4, plus 5 times 4 is 20 divided by 2, that is 10 p square x square. Now this is minus 4, this is minus 5, and this one is minus 6, and this is 3, 2, 3 times 2 cancel, 1, 2, 3 negative, will make negative. 5 times 4 is 20. P cube x cube, plus, we need not to write, so we can write as 1 plus px to the power minus 4 is equal to 1 minus 4px plus 10p square x square and minus 20 p cube x cube plus. So that is the expansion, and that is the solution for part A. Now part B. Part B is fx is equal to 3 plus 4x, and it is multiplied by 1 plus px to the power 4. So 1 plus px to the power minus 4. So fx is equal to 3 plus 4x, and we can write this 1 minus 4px plus 10p square x minus 20 p cube x cube. So now fx is equal to, first we multiply this 3 by 1, 3 by this, 3 by this one, and 3 by this one. So let's see, multiply this by 3, this by 3, this by 3, and this by 3. So this is 3 minus 4 times 3 is 12px plus 30p square x, this must be p square x square, it can't be, yes, plus 30 p square x square minus 60 p cube x cube, minus 60 p cube x cube. This we have multiplied by 3. Now we have to multiply it by 4x. So let me delete this and write this by 4x, this by 4x, this by 4x, and this by 4x. So this will be plus 4x. It is good if I write x under x. So this is plus 4x minus 16px square minus 16px square plus 40p square plus 40p square x cube minus 80 minus 4 times 2 is 8 p cube x4. We don't need this because this is asking up to x square anyway. So now what we have is the coefficient of x square. This is x square, so this is the coefficient of x square, and this is the coefficient of x square. So the coefficient of x square is 30p square minus 16p. The coefficient of x and the coefficient of x minus 12p plus 4 minus 12p plus 4. So this is the coefficient of x and this is the coefficient of x square. It says that coefficient of x square, this is twice of this. So if it is 8, this is 16. So we multiply this by 2 to make them equal. So we have 30p square minus 16p is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 12p plus 4. So this I can write as 30p square minus 16p. This is 12 times 2 is 24 minus 24p plus 8. Is it really minus 16p? And this is minus 12 plus 4. It's okay. So this minus 12p will become plus 24p. So 30p square plus 8p plus 8 is equal to 0. You can simplify it or you can divide it by 2. So 15p square plus 4p plus 4 is equal to 0. So p will be, let's use the formula. This is A, this is B, this is C. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So if you use the formula, that is minus B plus minus root B square, that is 4 square, minus 4 is 15 This is plus. It will become minus. Otherwise there will be no solution here. This is negative and C is minus 4. If you do a mistake somewhere in the calculation and see that you are not getting near the answer, cross check it again. Divide by 2a, 2 into 15. So that is equal to minus 4 plus minus. So that is 16. This is 256 over 30. So it can be written as minus 2 plus minus 8 over 15. So P is equal to minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10 over 15, or it can be written as 8. If it is a positive, 8 minus 2 is 6 over 15. So 6 over 15, or we divide by 3. So that is 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 5, 2 over 5. And this is minus 5 times 2 is 10. But we have this value. So our answer is find the value of P. So value of P will be two over 5. Do you know why I have not taken this value? Why the value is 2 over 5 and not this? Now the last part is hence find the coefficient of x cube in the series expansion of fx. So coefficient of x cube is this is the coefficient of x cube and this is the coefficient of x cube. So coefficient of x cube is 40p square minus 60p cube. And I have to put p is equal to 2 over 5. So if p is equal to 2 over 5, so this is equal to 40 2 over 5 square minus 60 2 over 5 cube. So that is equal to 40 multiply 4 over 5, no 25 minus 60 multiply 4 over 125. So that is equal to 64. So that is equal to 64 over 25. So the coefficient of x cube is 64 over 25. Thank you very much for watching.